Welcome to our roundup of the best portable dishwashers in this year. Whether you're living in an apartment, a small home, or need extra kitchen capacity for busy households, we've handpicked the top portable dishwashers that deliver efficient cleaning, compact design, and user-friendly features, all designed to make kitchen cleanup easier and faster. We'll break down each dishwasher's key features like wash cycles, capacity, water usage, portability, energy efficiency, and ease of setup, so you can find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest price and deals. Let's dive in and find the ultimate portable dishwasher for you. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the RCA Portable Countertop Dishwasher. RCA is known for creating affordable, compact, and reliable appliances. This countertop dishwasher is designed for small kitchens or apartments, offering 6-place settings capacity, 6 wash programs, and a rapid 30-minute cycle for quick cleanup. The energy-efficient design ensures low water and electricity consumption, making it eco-friendly and economical. It also comes with easy installation hoses compatible with most kitchen faucets, LED display, and a child safety lock. The RCA dishwasher is praised for its compact footprint, simple setup, and thorough cleaning, though some users note it may not fit larger pots and pans, and water pressure from your faucet affects performance. Overall, it's ideal for singles, couples, or small kitchens who need efficient and fast dishwashing. Next up at number 4 is the Acquire Portable Dishwasher. Acquire is a brand that combines affordability with functionality. This model supports 6 to 8 place settings, with multiple wash cycles including normal, heavy, eco, and rapid. It features stainless steel interior, low-noise operation, and easy-to-use controls, making it perfect for busy families, apartment living, or small offices. Its compact design allows it to sit on the countertop or slide into small spaces, and it's easy to connect to standard faucets without plumbing modifications. Users appreciate its quiet operation, excellent cleaning performance, and intuitive controls, though some mention it takes slightly longer on heavier loads, and the drain hose needs careful placement. Acquire is a solid choice for reliable everyday dishwashing in limited spaces. Coming in at number 3 is the Silent Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Silent focuses on compact design with premium features. This dishwasher features 6 to 8 place settings, stainless steel interior, and 6 cleaning modes, including eco-friendly, glass, and heavy-duty cycles. The delay start function allows flexibility for nighttime or off-peak operation, and the digital LED control panel makes programming simple and straightforward. Its quiet operation, efficient water usage, and effective drying system make it perfect for families, small apartments, or shared living spaces. Silent is praised for its thorough cleaning, sleek design, and low noise levels, but users note it requires careful positioning on the countertop, and larger cookware may not fit comfortably. Overall, it's a premium compact dishwasher for anyone seeking efficient daily use. At number 2, we have the MSAIRPLR Portable Dishwasher. MSAIRPLR is designed for high-performance cleaning in a compact package. With 6 to 10 place settings, multiple wash cycles, and stainless steel interior, it's ideal for families or small households needing versatile cleaning options. The energy-efficient design reduces water and electricity use, while the easy-to-connect faucet adapters make setup fast and simple. It also features a child safety lock, LED display, and delayed start, making it convenient for homeowners with busy schedules or nighttime operation needs. Users praise the powerful cleaning, quiet performance, and flexible cycles, though some note it cannot handle oversized cookware, and it requires proper leveling for optimal washing. MSAIRPLR is a reliable, high-performance countertop dishwasher for small but busy kitchens. Finally, at number 1, we have the Airmson Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Airmson is a top-rated brand for compact dishwashing solutions that deliver high efficiency and convenience. It features 6 to 10 place settings, 6 smart wash programs, stainless steel interior, and a high-capacity 6-liter water tank. The dishwasher includes delayed start, auto shutoff, and child safety lock features, making it perfect for families, couples, or busy professionals. Its quiet operation, energy-efficient design, and easy-to-use digital controls make dishwashing simple and hassle-free. The Airmson dishwasher is praised for excellent cleaning performance, compact design, and reliability, though it requires careful faucet installation and larger pots may not fit. For those seeking a top-tier portable dishwasher that balances performance and convenience, this is the ultimate choice. And that wraps up our top 5 best portable dishwashers in this year. From the affordable RCA to the reliable Acquire, premium Silent, high-performance MSAIRPLR, and top-tier Airmson, there's a dishwasher here for every kitchen size, lifestyle, and cleaning need. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. And make sure to check the description for the latest price and deals so you can grab the perfect portable dishwasher for your home today. Thanks for watching.